How to fix JBL Xtreme 6 not working, Xtreme 3 not working here on your how you can simply solve it. To simply fix Xtreme 3 speaker is if it's unresponsive, the steps can help bring back to the life. Step 1 is try a different charge board. Use the original USB-C charger cable and power adapter. Try another compatible USB-C cable and the wall charger to rule any faculty with the damage or cable. Now check the charging port, inspect the USB-C port for dirt, debris or bent pins. Clean gently using compressed air or soft press. Perform a soft reset, hold down the power button and the play pause button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release and wait for a few seconds, then try to turn it on again. Charge for a longer time. Plug it and leave it charged for at least 30 to 60 minutes. If the battery is fully drained, it may need time before LED turns up again. Step 5 is check for LED indicators. Watch for the blinking or solid LED lights while charging. There is no light, must be a bad charger or dead battery. Try a firmware reset via JBL portable app if it's connected to you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.